thank you for buying this 21912 pizza paddle from FixtureDisplays. These are the components. The assembly is fairly simple. You've got a handle, hardware, and the paddle itself. The paddle comes with the protective film on both ends. You want to peel that off before assembly. And now we're ready to assemble. I'm going to pick up the handle. There is a recessed cut portion side that should face down. With the screw, go through the bottom. And then we're going to turn the knob. Now it's ready to use. Comes with a nice hanging string. The measurements of this paddle is overall length is 25 inches long. The handle itself is 11 inches and the paddle effective area is about 12 by 12. The paddle section, the metal section is made from aluminum and the handle is hardwood. Entire weight about 1.2 pounds. Aluminum is 1.5 millimeters thick, so that's a decent thickness. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. Now you can loosen the handle, turn that, and make that far smaller for storage. I encourage you to browse FixtureDisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. I have a series of barbecue items, different oven items, among many other business and consumer products. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like us, subscribe, and remember to leave good seller feedback along with the product review. Thank you once again for shopping FixtureDisplays.